Hello, I'm Eileen. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the BoxyCharm Premium box for August 2020. If that sounds good to you, stick around, hang out, and have some fun with me. For those who don't know BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. The regular subscription box is $25 a month. The BoxyCharm Premium box is an upgrade. That costs $35 per month. You can have the base box and the premium box, or you can start with the base box, join the premium, and then unsubscribe from the base and only get the premium. I get both. In each premium box, you receive 6 to 7 full-size beauty items. It can be makeup, skincare, beauty tools, color cosmetics, and each box has an average value of $215. Now, first thing we see in our box, let's get the box. Here's this month's box. And the first thing we receive, when we open it, is a card giving us this month's theme. And our theme for August is glamping. And I received variation 48. The card also gives you all the items that you received, a little bit about them, and their retail values. But we'll go through that as we go along. So the first item that I received is from Sunday Riley, and it is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. And it's advanced strength retinoid serum which delivers a 6.5% solution, stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. And there's the product. It fights signs of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin. This is a full size at 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. Retails for $85. And it includes retinol ester, retinol, CoQ10, and Hawaiian white honey. They say the serum fights signs of aging and improves the look of congested and UV damaged skin, and encapsulated CoQ10 helps improve the appearance of aging or damaged skin, while the Hawaiian white honey, cactus extract, and ginger balance and soothe the skin for the appearance of a calmer, even-toned complexion. So that's item number 1. Pretty happy with that one. Okay, second item in the box is from Ciate London. It is the Editor Palette. And this is an 18-piece eyeshadow palette. Let's open it up and take a look. It says it's inspired by the colors of New England in the fall, combining warm rusts with pops of gold and green. So here's the packaging. And, we got a breakage. We've got breakage. It looks like this color down in the bottom, it is a dark purple, but it is definitely broken. So I'm going to have to contact the folks at BoxyCharm. But there is the palette. Other than the green and maybe some of these other colors, I don't really read fall from this, but if that's what they're saying the inspiration is. Sorry, I've got purple eyeshadow all over my hand. This retails for $32, and I'm going to have to contact, this is 2 palettes this month that are broken. I'm not doing very well. Okay, our third item is from Too Faced, and it's the Born This Way Ethereal Setting Powder. And it is in the color translucent. They do come in 3 shades, but it appears that only translucent was in BoxyCharm. I'm not 100% sure of that, but that's what I've heard. So there's the actual product out of the box, and it is in the shade translucent. I am not going to open it up right now, but it does say that it includes, is infused with coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid. Silky lightweight powder sets makeup for longer wear while providing a veil of perfect luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you were born this way. That retails for $33. So that's the Born This Way powder. Okay, the next item, I actually received an email from BoxyCharm warning me that they had duplicated an item in my base box and my premium box, and they gave me some charms to compensate. This is apparently my duplicate. This is the MAC Cosmetics Amplified Lipstick in the shade 109 Fast Play. This is an ultra creamy lipstick formula with a smooth glide, bold color payoff, full coverage, and a semi-lustrous finish. And this shade Fast Play, they say, is a neutral pink. So that's the shade. It looks a little darker than a pink to me, but okay. In my base box, I received the Luster lipstick in the shade Syrup, which is a cloudy pink. Let me show you the two to compare. So this is Fast Play, and this is Syrup. So they are different enough that I would certainly consider using both of them. The Syrup is a little more my style, but Fast Play is a pretty shade, and it'll probably be a really nice one for fall. So this again, MAC Cosmetics Amplified Lipstick with a retail value of $19. Okay, our next product is from Laura Geller, New York, and it is the Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer. And it says that this is a black primer. Most eyelash primers are white. This is unlike other white colored lash primers. A black tinted formula blends with your mascara or can be worn alone for a natural lash look. I wasn't able to find this one anywhere online when I was looking at the options of things that were available, but it does retail for $24. So this is the packaging. I'm not going to open it up because I am using a lash primer right now and I don't want to let this one dry out. I am assuming, yep, it does say it's got a 6-month shelf life once it's open, so I don't want to start that clock ticking until I'm ready to use it. I'm actually interested to try this. I've tried other Laura Geller products and been pretty happy. And like I said, I do use a lash primer. Right now I'm using the Lancome lash primer, but I'm interested in trying this one to see what it's all about. Okay, and our next last product is from After Spa, and it is the Slip-On Exfoliator. This is an exfoliating self-tanner remover that scrubs off the tanner when it's time to remove and in between treatments. It says the slip-on will exfoliate and cleanse your skin off of all the tan residue and dead skin cells that must be thoroughly removed from the skin before you tan, and it retails for $18. In case you couldn't tell, I do not self-tan, so I'm going to put this one in a future giveaway. So that's the whole box. We had 6 products. The Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, which I'm going to keep. The Ciate London Editor Palette, which is broken, so I'll be contacting Boxy about that. The Too Faced Born This Way Setting Powder. And that, I think I'm probably going to keep that. I'm not sure. It may end up in a giveaway, but we'll see. The MAC Amplified Cream Lipstick in Fast Play. The Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer. And the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator, which I will be passing along. So the total retail value of the products in my box were $211, and again the cost was $35, so that's pretty good. The items that I'm keeping, the only thing that I'm not sure about is the palette, because we'll see what BoxyCharm does for that. And I will be passing along the exfoliator. Other than that, it's a pretty good box. Do you subscribe to BoxyCharm? Have you tried the Boxy Premium? Let me know what you think of this month's box down in the comments. While you're down there, give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please, please consider subscribing to my channel. It really does help. And this way you'll be aware of any future videos and unboxings and other kind of fun that we're going to have around here. And until then, thank you for hanging out, spending some time with me today, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.